Welcome back to Money Academy. If you're looking for the laziest ways to make money online for free in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into one incredible method that can help absolute beginners earn $130 a day with just a laptop and little effort, using the powerful tool DeepSeek AI. Sounds lazy. Well, it kind of is, but in the best way possible. Let's jump right in. What is DeepSeek AI? First things first, let's talk about what DeepSeek AI is. This fantastic tool uses advanced artificial intelligence to help you generate content, conduct research, and analyze data quickly and efficiently. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant who does all the hard thinking for you while you kick back with a cup of coffee. Yes, please. DeepSeek AI is particularly helpful for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by the idea of starting an online business. It makes the process streamlined and, dare I say, lazily delightful. Getting started with DeepSeek AI. Step 1. Sign up. Start by heading over to the DeepSeek AI website and signing up for a free account. The registration process is a breeze and takes just a few minutes. You can be up and running before finishing that cup of coffee. Step 2. Explore the features. Once you're in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the amazing features of DeepSeek AI. Here are a few that will help you earn money effortlessly. Content generation. Quickly whip up articles, blog posts, and social media content tailored to your niche, all without breaking a sweat. Research assistance. Seamlessly gather relevant information and insights to create valuable content, letting the AI do most of the work for you. The more comfortable you get with DeepSeek, the more ways you'll find to make some easy cash. Laziest ways to make money with DeepSeek AI. Now, let's explore how you can lazily earn $130 a day with DeepSeek AI. Get ready to kick back while you watch the money roll in. 1. Freelance writing services. Offer your skills. Use DeepSeek AI to craft high-quality articles and blogs for clients. Set up profiles on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and watch the orders come in. Set your rates. Charge $65 for each article. If you write just 2 a day, you've hit that $130 mark without breaking a sweat. 2. Affiliate marketing made easy. Create engaging content. Use DeepSeek AI to generate product reviews or how-to guides for items within your niche. Monetize. Include your affiliate links. Just think, every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like cashing in while lounging on your couch. 3. Become a social media manager. Handle lazy posts. Many businesses are desperate for a social media presence. Offer to manage their accounts using DeepSeek AI for easy content generation. Cash flow. Charging clients a monthly fee can add up fast. Just a few clients charging $130 each can make you some serious money. 4. Create and sell ebooks. Write with ease. Utilize DeepSeek AI to draft ebooks on popular or trending topics in your area of expertise. Sell for profit. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Write one ebook, market it lightly, and watch as you earn money while you sleep. Pro tips for lazy income success. To maximize your laziness and ensure consistent earnings, keep these tips in mind. Set simple daily goals. Determine how much you want to make each day without overwhelming yourself. Aiming for $130 can be broken down into manageable tasks. Invest time in self-promotion. Don't skip this part. A simple online presence can make all the difference. Share your services on social media, and network with potential clients while enjoying your favorite snack. Stay updated. The digital landscape evolves quickly. Keep learning about DeepSeek AI's new features and trends. Let them do the hard work while you kick your feet up. And there you have it. The laziest ways to make money online for free in 2025 using DeepSeek AI. With just a laptop and this incredible tool, you can earn $130 a day with minimal effort. Are you eager to try DeepSeek AI and start earning? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more laid-back money-making tips from Money Academy.